Hello, my name is Nevis Teresi. I am an EFL and ELT teacher in Italy, currently teaching English conversation full-time at a classical studies and linguistics high school. I have been teaching face-to-face for over 20 years and online since 2012. I have been following TEFL EVO sessions since 2012 as a participant and then later on as a moderator since 2013, then also as a presenter since 2015 or 2015, specifically in the EVO Teaching EFL to Young Learners session. I will be presenting the Board Games Week, and my week is all about using board games in the Young Learner EFL classroom. I will be sharing my own experience and resources to make your week with me as engaging as possible. See you soon.